Today, we're diving deep into the world of foldable phones and artificial intelligence. Samsung just launched the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, their latest foldable marvels, and guess what? These phones come packed with some seriously cool AI features. Now, these foldables have unique shapes, so Samsung's been busy redesigning some of their existing AI features to work better on both the inner foldable screens and the outer displays. Plus, there are some brand new features exclusive to these models for now, but hopefully, they'll be rolling out to other Samsung phones and even other Android devices soon. So, if you're an AI enthusiast, buckle up because we're about to explore 7 incredible features on the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. This is a game changer for foldable phones and real-time communication. When you unfold your phone like a book, you can use both screens, the inner and outer displays, to transcribe and translate conversations happening right in front of you. It supports a hopping 16 languages and 23 dialects, making it perfect for travelers or anyone who needs to bridge the language gap on the fly. The Galaxy S24 series had a similar two-sided translation feature, but this foldable version takes it to a whole new level, similar to what we saw with the Google Pixel Fold. Calling all Galaxy Z Fold 6 artists, the S Pen compatibility gets even more exciting with a new sketch-to-image feature in the Photos app. It uses AI to take your doodles and sketches to the next level. It's not meant for super realistic edits, but it definitely adds a fun twist to doodling on your photos. This is one of the best AI features for phones, and guess what? Samsung is giving it a major upgrade on the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. These updates will eventually be available on other phones with Google Search, but for now, let's see what's exclusive to the foldables. The new Circle to Search can now read QR codes. No more hunting for a separate app. Just circle a code with your finger, and the AI will take care of the rest. Translate entire screens. Need to understand a whole webpage or document in another language. Circle it, and the AI will translate it on the spot. Solve math equations. Stuck on a homework problem? No worries. Circle the equation, and the AI will be your personal math whiz. Pretty cool, right? These features won't be exclusive forever, but it's exciting to see Circle to Search getting even more powerful on these foldables. Ready to spice up your selfie game? Look no further than the new Portrait Studio mode. It lets you add artistic effects like watercolor, 3D cartoons, sketch, or comic book style to your selfies. Just like other Samsung effects, you get multiple options to choose from, letting you pick the perfect edited photo for your taste. The AI translator isn't new, but it's finally coming to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Similar to interpreter mode, it can translate calls in real time between 16 languages. You can choose to hear yourself, the other caller, or just the translated speech, making communication a breeze. Samsung's new foldables are here to help you with your conversations. Chat Assist can draft messages for your contacts, finishing incomplete sentences, or even creating responses from scratch. It keeps things relevant and appropriate based on the context of the conversation. Now, on the Z Flip 6 with its smaller outer display, Chat Assist works with suggested replies, giving you ready-made responses you can send with a tap. The larger displays on the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 come in handy for note-taking enthusiasts. Live transcription is here to supercharge your note-taking game. This feature combines an existing function with a new setting. While previous Galaxy models let you do something similar using split-screen apps, now you can use the full screen for Samsung Notes or even open another app simultaneously for ultimate productivity. So what you think? Which of these AI features are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M-series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.